guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make our favorite Mexican hot chocolate. So in case you guys don't know how to make this super easy and delicious drink, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay guys, so we're going to begin by adding 3 cups of water to our pot. To that we're going to add 10 whole cloves, 1 piloncillo, and 1 large canela stick. And we're just going to wait for the piloncillo to dissolve. Okay, so once we have our piloncillo cinnamon syrup, we're going to carefully strain it to our blender cup. Okay, so carefully strain it. To our pot, we're going to add 8 cups of milk. Set it on medium-low heat. And while we allow our milk to heat up, we're going to blend our chocolate. To a blender cup, we're going to add 2 Mexican chocolate discs. You can use Abuelita or Ibarra, along with 1 can of evaporated milk. And now we're just going to place it on our blender and blend until smooth. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our chocolate mixture. So now we can return it back to our milk. Okay, so add it to your milk. So nice and smooth. Mix it all together and allow it to heat up for about 8 to 10 minutes. You can wait.
Yeah.
Is this your favorite?
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, so after 8 minutes, our hot chocolate is hot. So at this point, we can get now ready to serve. And let me tell you that at this point, everybody's just waiting for their cup, including Gio. So you ready? So we can get ready to serve. Okay, put it all the way up. And also taste it for sugar and see if it's too sweet for you. If it is, just add a little bit more milk. But for us, this is just perfect. I'll take over. Okay, and we like to spice it up. So let's take you over here. Okay, so we like to add marshmallows to our hot chocolate. And here you can add as much as you want.
I need more.
Yeah, I know you do. Okay, so add your marshmallows. And I'm telling you, this is our favorite part, you know, Christmas Day, waking up to our hot chocolate. The kids look forward to it, all of them. So I'm so excited. Come on, waiting for you. Okay, and we just like to top it up with a rolled white wafer. And just place it on top. Add a little color. Oh, okay, that's fine.
Why did you think it like that?
Because we like to be extra. And just like that, cheers. And enjoy.
Good.
This is Christmas. Like I said, you know, every Christmas, I wake up, go straight to the kitchen before, you know, of course, before I thank God for another day. But we always look forward to our hot chocolate, right? And then we put on our fake fireplace. And then what do we do next?
Open present.
Yes. And just like that. So I hope you guys make this hot chocolate. It's honestly super delicious. It's not too sweet. It's just perfect, and everyone gets to enjoy it.
My thing.
Oh.
It turned invisible.
It's okay, there's more. So, you ready to go sit down and enjoy?
Yeah.
Let's go. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my favorite Mexican hot chocolate. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recommend this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.